Guys, what is up? We are on the bikes. DJ, don't let him see license plates. So we are running around. We're about to leave our cousins and go see our friend Zeke. We're leaving in like 45 minutes. Yeah, my sister's doing her makeup and stuff, and then, well, you know girls, they say they'll be 10 minutes and then it's an hour. So could be a while. Chris, look, the killer got more huge. Oh, I didn't tell you guys about the killer. See that puddle right up there? It's a ginormous killer. It kills your bike. Going through. Oh my gosh, I just almost got stuck. Scrooge McDuck. Well, we're not doing the killer, and we just got out here, and it is definitely freezing. And we are going in the house. I don't know what we're gonna do. I look like Steve Urkel. Oh my gosh. It is so cold. You guys do not know how cold it is here. Whew. Alright, so we're back in the garage, getting the door shut.
Look how red my hand is from how cold it is.
We just got in. We're gonna go inside.
Destroy the speaker!
We're gonna go inside. The heck?
It looks kind of like mine. Wait, people can use this.
I know. Look. So we're gonna go inside the actual. We're gonna go inside the actual house.
Hold on.
And
See, negative and positive. Touch them together. But I haven't seen your speaker in action.
oh, alright.
Let them see the. What?
Oh,
I know. I just stuck up in the street.
And check this out. Huh?
Want something that's actually well known. I don't have water.
Chris, I can't. I'm recording.
I can't. I can't.
No. Turn the light on.
No.
Come on, Chris. We're gonna go in. So we got the Crazy Psycho. Nick, that'll ring.
Yep, that's right.
Balloon. Oh, look at what happened at our cousin's house the other day because of a storm.
It was like 3 days ago.
The other day, still.
It was like 3 days ago.
Still, the other day. Oh, we should show him the system. We should show him the system.
Surround sound.
Surround sound, whatever.
Homemade surround sound.
Yeah. DJ's going to chop. You should have asked to come to my dad's house with me.
I could.
Yeah.
I could if I asked.
Do it.
Vlogception.
YouTubing while YouTubing. Have you ever seen that? This is their humongous living room. Ooh, look, Chris, watch this. Night, day, night.
Oh, one of them's out.
Day,
We need to buy new ones.
day. Look at the camera. Night, day.
See, look.
I know. Night, day, night, day, night, day, night, day, night, day.
If my dad saw you doing that, he would not be happy.
Their living room is so
brightness
huge.
is all the way down, but the video is not.
Huh?
I have to turn my brightness all the way down.
Why?
The video's not.
Look at my cousin.
Wait, didn't you say that we had to hold the camera like this?
What?
My knife sharp or not?
Nah.
Well, that's sharp.
Ooh, 13 reasons why.
What do you want?
None ya.
None of your what? None of your big ones.
None ya business. Gotti.
Saturday is Super Saturday in Colbert.
Black, Jeep Grand Cherokee.
What? Oh. Wait, do you think we can just ask to go to your house?
Maybe. If Chris is coming over to our house, we will get
fun.
to you on that. We will.
Yep.
We will be. I was gonna say something, but I doubt we're gonna do that.
What?
Get on the mower and chase each other around. But I
That's-
blew our lawnmower up. I blew our zero turn up.
Wait, the one that you dropped?
Yeah, the orange one. Yeah, I blew it up.
How?
I was just mowing and then it just shuts right off and then it won't turn back on. The engine was knocking anyways, so it's really no big deal.
Chris, you know what? Look what happened to the poor fish. He was a man.
Ooh, Chris, let's show him the fishies.
Look what happened.
This is my uncle's fishies. Daylight cameras.
This is my first
come here.
vlog, but
Come here.
I also make broadcasts if you all want to watch them.
Live.
Sometimes I use my camera in the broadcast, and sometimes
Chris, come show them how I do this.
I will.
No.
Sometimes I don't use the mic to just pull around, but sometimes I do. But yeah, go ahead and watch this broadcast.
It's not the best angle.
But there you try to cut that tree in half.
What do you think he's been trying to do?
Yeah.
Dang, dude, how smooth is that?
Like smooth.
And this wood is wet, see?
It's harder to cut through if it's wet.
maple.
Yeah, it's harder to cut through if it's wet. Nathaniel knows that.
It's a maple. It's maple.
I mean, it's maple.
It's maple. It's a maple tree. It's
So?
a tapping tree.
Nope.
Tapping
bad?
trees are like these.
I think I'm going to end my vlog.
Look, Chris, feel how smooth that is. Feel
Say goodbye. Well, I
peace.
can't even see anything, so.
Peace. Chris, you say peace. Guys, everybody come here. Aiden, hurry, come here. Everybody get ready for the peace.
Aiden can't come.
Alright, DJ, I'm serious. Do a peace.
Nick, are you okay?
Ah,
I can't.
peace.
I wasn't even